Take a ride in the 2019 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on the top and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.